What if I told you that managing your money wisely could be the key to financial freedom? What if, with just a few simple strategies, you could break free from financial stress and start building wealth today? Well, in this video, we are going to reveal the most powerful yet simple financial strategies that can change your life. Stick around till the end because we're diving into the secrets of smart money management, saving hacks, and investment. Tips that most people overlook. The ultimate guide to financial freedom in 2024. Understanding the basics of finance. Before we jump into advanced strategies, let's talk about the fundamentals. Finance is not just about earning money. It's about managing it wisely. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. The key is to accumulate more assets over time. 2. The 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. One of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income should go towards necessities like rent, food, and bills. 30% can be spent on lifestyle choices, entertainment, dining out, and shopping. 20% should be saved or invested. This rule ensures you have a balanced financial life without compromising on your future security. 3. The power of compound interest. Why you should start investing now. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Let's say you invest $100 per month in a fund that gives a 10% return annually. Over 30 years, you won't just have $36,000 saved, you'll have over $198,000 due to compound interest. The sooner you start investing, the more you benefit from time. How to build multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky. Here are some ways to build multiple streams. Stock market investing. Start with index funds if you're a beginner. Real estate. Rental properties generate passive income. Side hustles. Freelancing, blogging, and online businesses can add extra cash. Affiliate. Marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products online. Dividend stocks. Get paid regularly without selling your stocks. Diversification is key to financial stability. Avoiding debt traps. How to escape the debt cycle. Debt can be a financial prison. To avoid falling into a debt trap, follow these principles. Always pay off high-interest debt first, like credit cards. Avoid unnecessary loans. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to clear loans faster. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to taking control of your finances and building long-term wealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Also, comment below with your biggest financial goal for this year. Let's build wealth together. End screen. Subscribe now. Watch next video.